Hello everyone, this is Gobinda, the creator of Markdowners, and I am adding a new tool, and I am presenting a new tool to you. This is the GitHub Profile Readme Generator. So, seeing the name, you're already guessing what it can do. I have added I have prepared some pre-made prompts that will help you to create your GitHub profile page so that you can easily design and great looking GitHub page. So here are the things. These are the almost 55 GitHub prompts I have prepared here, collecting from several open source items to make the things very easier for you. Like if you want to add your profile summary card, so you just click here and just replace your name. I am using here my name. You can see my GitHub username, just replace with your name. You will get all the stat from here. If you want to add metrics like header page, header image, so you can definitely add the metrics like header image. This is very easy to add. Just click here and you have to get the all information, and you just getting all the things. If you want to add your info card of a Stack Overflow, you can get here, or just by replacing the user ID you can create that. Also, if you can show your profile card of your Stack Overflow. Very much easy to add things here. Also, I have added some ready-made information like about me. You can create your about me just here, appendix, or if you add some text stack, you can just add here very much easily. You can just click here, GitHub stat template, another stat template. Just you can create this type of stat template from here. So these are all profile view counter that will help you to get the profile view pages. Also, buy me a coffee page, you can add this button there. So all the necessary information I have added. Also, you can add GitHub animations, so you can just go through here and add the information very easily. That's the very thing you can do. And the most interesting part, just you have to click the button to copy the text from here. All the text will be copied from the readme file, and you can just paste in your readme generator or readme.md file for your GitHub profile. Just paste this there and you will get a stunning, beautiful GitHub profile page for yourself. And I have added the tips here. You can just click here. I can get the idea, all the information from here. You'll get the real informations. Also, interesting things I forgot to share with you. You can add your Medium blog post here. I have only one Medium blog post, so I'm getting here only one. So I have collected various information or various tool things from several developer build things for yourselves, and this is a combined page and builder type of things I have created. And most interesting part, if you want to create if you just check all the thing and select which type of things you want to add, just drag it here. If you want to drag the things here, just drag it here and make a list of your GitHub profile page. Just then select and insert all the information of what you want. So you can drag all the item and make a list of your things and create your best profile output from here. It will be very easier for you. So this is the very intuitive things I have built. And here from here you can go to several pages. Like if you want to test the things what I have built here, I'm just adding. You can also add the rapid fire information with a GIF. So these are the things you can add the rapid fire information, and you can get the GIF here. Add the GIF. You can replace the GIF very easily. This is the common GIF get in the open area. So that is the thing you will get. So you can create all the things. Now just I want to copy the thing, and from here you can check what I have made. This is the Markdown editor. You can just check what you have built here. Just preview pane I'm adding here. So all the things are here I have adding. So these are the things you can create your beautiful profile page by using this builder. So definitely share with your thoughts what type of things you need and trial everything, and let me know what you are looking for in the next thing. So I will create that kind of thing here, and I'll also add the information credit to the page or the landing page of my Markdowners, and this is the markdowners.com. You have already seen this, so I think that will be helpful for everyone. Thank you guys. I just creating the things for you, so if you feel it's beautiful and helpful, definitely share with your friends and families, those who are looking for creating a beautiful GitHub profile page. Take care. Bye bye.